Hey guys, autistic jigsaw back at it again. And today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the R person. We're gonna have the R person face the warden.
Hey.
And try to complete it with only 5 deaths allowed in the challenge. Now, if he completes the challenge, he will be rewarded a $30 Roblox gift card. All right, R person, you ready? You can.
Yeah.
You can claim your weapon now.
Okay.
Claim it, could.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready. Put him on the other side, man.
Let the challenge commence, man.
You got this.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Get to work.
I feel like the strat is just like sneak up on him. Wait, let's see, because he's not gonna see me. One hit, he's gonna hit me. Let's see that's on fucking dead. Freaking dead. It's one of the. Oh my god, he spawned me next to him.
That's next to him?
Yeah.
Let's get the block chat. That's one,
fist bump,
2,
fist bump,
3,
fist bump for
4.
good luck. Ryan, fist bump.
Oh, that was 4 blocks away.
Fist bump.
I can't. You'll take damage.
No, okay.
Alright, chat.
Why is
He's
he
enjoying the
coming in?
paintings. He's enjoying the paintings. This is wonderful.
Yeah. You see who that is? Good.
That's Master Hand from Super Smash Bros.
That's Jackie's Chan.
Oh, I hit him like 4 times. 2 out of 5.
Or sorry, not Gabe. Autistic.
Autistic.
Jigsaw.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Refer to me
Jigsaw.
as my proper name.
Autist saw. Yo, he's already on me.
Because he knew what was up. Alright, that's his third death chat.
Does
That's his
that count?
third death chat. That does count.
He's already on me again. I'm not even in the thing yet.
Alright, chat. We're gonna watch this. Oh, Sneak 100, chat. Chat. Oh, that's his 4th death, chat. It's his 4th death, chat. Alright, chat. We're gonna watch this. In first person, watch this.
Headshot.
Exactly
Oh,
what
I
he's
missed.
doing.
I dropped my
He
gun.
missed and he's already on him.
He's not. Yep.
Attention, movie lovers!
He didn't even see me.
If you see the warden, you have to hit him. And shot, that concludes the challenge. The warden wins again. Don't hit me, dirty.
I don't think that's possible.
Well, buddy, you signed up for it, not me.
GG's.
I'm clipping this out of the video.